What's up, guys? Miguel, aka Torrent. Let's do a little bit of change of videos instead of my typical bitching videos. Today we're doing a little unboxing. We got this from the TikTok shop that's been going around all TikTok. And let's open it to see what it is. I can tell you right now, it smells like burnt electronics. So it's not starting off with a very good smell. And once you open it, once you realize what it is, you'll know you've seen it on TikTok, all around TikTok. And yes, I gave into it because I wanted to buy one. But truthfully, man, it really smells like burnt electronics at this point. So I hope it's not used. I hope it doesn't blow up in my hand. And let's see how this goes. That is right. I bought this, violent fan, which is all over TikTok that everybody has been promoting. This, truthfully, kind of looks janky as shit. Oh man, this smells so burnt. It smells like very burnt electronics. And it's an ion battery, but you could tell how light and different this is. There's like no battery in here at all. Like if you have like a DeWalt, no. All right. And here's the hot mess. So it feels not bad, right? It feels plasticky. Feels like good, decent quality plastic. I wonder if it has a charge to it. Man, I'm kind of scared to put this in. This thing's gonna set the house on fire. There's no indication here on like if there's LEDs to see if it's charged. So we'll just plug it in. Yeah, you typically see this on TikTok where the guy in China, typically he's in China, and he's in a warehouse and he's blowing stuff around and leaves. Typically he does this, right? Thinking that it's so like powerful. So, I mean, it's got some stank to it. I don't think this is going to last, though, any long. So we're going to charge it, and we're going to give it a try outside. Oh, look at all the dust everywhere. Jeez, maybe my house is really dusty. All right, like I was saying, there's no indication on the battery that it's being charged. However, back there, let me zoom in, is that little LED light. I guess it's the only thing telling us whether the battery's charging or not. So we're going to charge this until that's green, and then we're going to give it a try outside. All right, so it's fully charged. Let's give it a shot. Let's see what it looks like. We're going to... Let's see. Yeah, it sucks. All right, let's try here the corner where there's some leaves. I mean, let's see. Okay, so here's my review of this thing. One, this, dangerous. So this sucks in anything. My shirt was actually getting sucked into this. And it will suck up hair. So ladies, men, if you have long hair, keep the shit behind it. Is it like what you see on the videos? No. If you're thinking you're going to go outside and blow dry or, leaf blow your walkway, not going to work. You're going to be on your knees like doing this. I see a couple people using it for cars. Maybe. I would say that if you're indoors and you got something to blow on like dust or something inside the house that you want to do something not so outside-ish, or maybe even if it's outside, it's very close, something small. Possible. I don't know. I would give it a save your $50, maybe. Maybe not. I guess it's for $50, it's not the worst thing in the world. I'd probably say yay to it. I mean, like if you could find a use, like a specific use case for it, you know, you're brushing out some sort of indoor gutter or something like that. I don't know, something very relatively small, but don't think you're walking around your yard blowing blowing leaves everywhere. This is really meant for something kind of, you know, right here, and you're just kind of blowing it around. It's pretty loud, so it's got this nice ear pierce. I literally can't get over the smell. I mean, I don't know if it's just this unit, but it literally smells like burnt electronics. So I'm a little wary about this. Also, I would be a little bit, you could only charge one battery at a time. You only have that. So you could only charge one at a time, which kind of sucks. I don't know how long this battery lasts for. I don't think it's long because of the amount of power this generates. I'd be amazed if it lasts for more than 10 minutes straight. And also, it doesn't come across like you're supposed to use it for 10 minutes straight. These are like short bursts of like air for less than 30 seconds to a minute before I feel like this thing is going to overheat and melt your hand off. So anyway, I saw this all over TikTok. It's been shoved in my face all over TikTok. I said for 50 bucks, I am a fan of things that blow. So I was really curious about giving this a shot to see if it would blow leaves and, you know, whatnot. But again, anyway, if you want to pick it up, I have it in my TikTok shop. Yeah, I guess if you have 50 bucks to spend, why not? All right, this is my product review. Peace.